Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to how to crop videos in CapCut, just in case you guys didn't know. So if we were to go here and find me a video, this might take a bit. All right, here, and okay, that did not work. Let's find a video which didn't work out so well. All right, this video. Okay, so let's say I wanted to crop it. So this CapCut decides to load. What you want to do is you go here, and then wow, that went for a long time. Wow. Okay, and let's say we want to crop out the bottom bar and the top bar. You can crop it out like that, and the sides, and you can crop. And if you don't really like cropping like that, you can change the ratio, like 9:16 for like phone size, or 16:9 for PC desktop kind of size. And you can move the crop around. And there's different ratios, like 4:3, which I have no idea what this is for. And I think that might be tablet. Then there's tablet the other way around. And then there's 1:1, which is basically just a square. Square. And guys, that is it for this video. See you in the next one.